Hello everyone. Today, the law I'm going to talk about is Title IX and sexual harassment in the classroom. Nowadays, all of us know that sexual harassment is against the law. Which law? Title IX. Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972 is a federal law that prohibits sex discrimination in educational institutions, programs, and activities. Title IX prohibits schools that receive any federal financial assistance from discriminating on the basis of sex, and sexual harassment is one form of intentional sex discrimination. It is illegal to intimidate, threaten, or coerce a person who has exercised rights or taken action under Title IX. The Office of Civil Rights supervises compliance with Title IX requirements and has the authority to enforce these regulations. Additionally, Section 1983. It is a statute that permits the enforcement of other federal statutory and constitutional rights by ensuring that plaintiffs may receive damages if their rights are violated. Victims of sexual harassment may possess a second avenue of attack, an equal protection claim enforced through Section 1983, but that is an option only for students attending state schools. For them, using Section 1983 may mean they can readdress their complaints without meeting the heightened liability standards of Title IX, and thus more easily obtain compensation for harassment. Here is a case example, which happened 17 years ago. Let's see it. It is the case of sectional harassment in the classroom. It illustrates how the law addresses claims of teacher-student harassment. The victim is the student at the University of New York at New Paltz. She sued that her professor for calling her Monica Lewinsky. At the same time, the real Monica was making headlines for her relationship with Bill Clinton. And the victim also alleges that the professor made comments in the classroom, such as, "How was your weekend with Bill?" And, "Shut up, Monica. I'll give you a cigar later." Based on these allegations, Hewitt, the victim, has sued Professor Alex Young, his supervisors, and the university that employed them, bringing claims pursuant to both Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972 and Section 1983. And at the end, the victim didn't win the case, but the decision fleshed out in great detail the standard to which the court will hold schools and administrators. That case happened in 2001, and 17 years later, we know the law affects schools, teaching, and learning. Let's see how the law affects schools. In the schools, supervisors know that they should train staff, maintain a high standard of personal conduct when dealing with all students, ensure that all students are advised of their rights and responsibilities and harassment policies, immediately deal with allegations of harassment. And the law affects teaching. All the teachers know that they should limit one-on-one student contact in private setting, and maintain student-teacher relationship at all times. They know that they are not the student's friend, and limit non-school activities with students. And the most important, the students know they should become fully aware of sexual harassment and report any misconduct. That is what I read from this law. Thank you for watching.